Hello dear students, in today's class we'll see the one more new concept in the partial differential equation, that is solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equation by direct integration. In this method we find the dependent variable which being the solution by removing the differential operator through the process of anti-differentiation. Means anti-differentiation means what here? Integration. To remove the differentiation operator we can apply the integration, so that easily we can remove the differentiation, and so once you integrate you will get a given partial differentiation in terms of a equation. That equation may be a function of x and y in terms of z or u or any. So for example, solve dou square u upon dou x square is equal to x plus y. This is one of the partial differential equation where u is a function and x and y are the two independent variables. So this partial derivative is what here? Second order with respect to x. So now, so how to eliminate this partial derivative? So this is the given question as it is. Now we have to rearrange this. So this can be rewritten as this double differential partial derivatives are there, dou by dou x into dou u by dou x. See, if you multiply dou into dou, you will get dou square of u, dou x into dou x, you will get back the dou x square. Just I wrote this simplified form. So dou square u upon dou x square can be written as dou by dou x of dou u by dou x, and right hand side as it is. Now I need to eliminate this dou by dou x, means I don't want this dou by dou x. So to remove this dou by dou x or eliminate, so on integration or integrating with respect to x. Why with respect to x? Because here dou x is there, you have to write dou x. If y dou y is there, you have to write dou y with respect to y. So right now we have x, you have to make it what here? With respect to x. So integration, on integration, so on integration with respect to x, this dou by dou x will vanish, only this bracket part is going to left. So on integration only this bracket part is going to be left, that is dou u by dou x is equal to integration of x plus y with respect to x, and we have to write integrating factor in a such a way that we have to write function of, now if it is with respect to x, this should be function of y, opposite of that. If it is with respect to y, you have to write with a function of x. So right now we are integrating with respect to x, means function should be function of y, opposite of this, means which two variables we have. If x and y, if we are doing integrating with respect to x, means it should be f of y. If it is with respect to x, means with respect to y, means function of x we have to take, means alternate we have to take. Now right hand side simplification we have to do it. So left hand side as it is, dou u by dou x is equal to integration of x with respect to dx will be what here? It will be x square by 2 plus y is a constant, integration of constant with respect to x is what here? X plus f of y. So on simplification, dou u upon dou x is equal to x square upon 2 plus, rearrange y into x, I will rewrite it as xy plus f of y. Now again I don't want this partial derivative, means dou function we don't want, dou operator we don't want here. To remove this one, we need to apply once again the integration on both sides with respect to x, because dou x is there, we need to apply with respect to x. So we'll see that one now. Now so this is what we got. after integration. Now we have to again integrate. So I will write this one here. Before integration I will write dou by dou x of u, I will write like that, is equal to, this will be as it is, x square by 2 plus xy plus f of y. Now again on integration, integrating with respect to x. So what happens on integration? So this dou by dou x will vanish. On integration, this dou by dou x will vanish. What left? U is going to left, is equal to integration of x square by 2 into dx plus integration of xy into dx plus integration of f of y plus one more new integrating constant you have to multiply, that is g of opposite of this x is what here, y. So on simplification, u is equal to 1 by 2 is a constant, integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus integration of xy, we are doing integration with respect to x, means y is a constant, integration of x is what here, x square by 2 plus integration of f of y with respect to x it is. So with respect to x means integration of f of y with respect to x means f of y is a constant. So integration of constant with respect to x is, you have to multiply x and g of y as it is. So on simplification, finally, because no partial derivative operator here, so now it is reduced to a equation. So u is equal to x cube upon 6 plus x square y upon 2 plus x f of y plus g of y is the required equation. Okay, so in this way we have to complete. So we need to arrange and we have to keep on integrating till we get to what here, the differential, partial differential operator supposed to be removed. So we'll see the next example now. Now the next question is, solve dou square z upon dou x into dou y is equal to x upon y plus a. So this is a given partial differential equation and we need to simplify now. So the given question as it is. So this, before integrating this, we have to rearrange first. So I will rewrite this one as dou by this dou x into, so one dou I had taken, one dou left, that is dou z upon dou y is left inside the bracket. If you multiply dou into dou z, it will become dou square z, dou x into dou y, you will get back what here, dou x into dou y. Just a simplified form of this. So right hand side no change, x upon y plus a. Now because of this, so dou by dou x is there, so we have to integrating with respect to x now. So on integrating with respect to x, this dou by dou x will vanish, so only the bracket part is going to left, which is nothing but dou z upon dou y is equal to integration of x upon y with respect to x, that is dx, plus integration of a into dx, plus we need to add integrating constant, as with respect to x we are integrating, we have to write f of y. Now on simplification, so dou by dou z as it is, dou z by dou y as it is. So here we are integrating with respect to x means 1 upon y is a constant, integration of this x is what here, x square by 2 plus a is a constant, integration of constant with respect to x is multiply x plus f of y as it is. Simplify, rearrange, dou z by dou y is equal to x square upon 2y plus ax plus f of y. Now we need to eliminate this dou operator also. So this I will rewrite left hand side as dou by dou y of bracket z is equal to x square upon 2y plus ax plus f of y. So on integrating, with respect to what here now, y, because dou y is there, integrating with respect to y. So what happens here, if integrating with respect to y means, so this will vanish, so dou by dou y will vanish. What is going to left? Z. So z is equal to, so integration of x square upon 2y with respect to x means dy, plus integration of ax with respect to y means you have tried dy, plus integration of f of y into dy, plus one more arbitrary integrating constant g of, we are doing with respect to y means it will be gx opposite. So rearrange, z is equal to, so here we are integrating with respect to y means x square upon 2 is a constant, we have to keep outside, integration of 1 upon y dy, I will rewrite. So x square upon 2 is a constant, keep out of the integral, only 1 upon y we are going to integrate, plus, so here ax is a constant, integration of only dy, plus integration of f of y dy. So we cannot write, so I will write this one as it is, integration of f of y dy plus integrating constant what we have added here is g of x. So now finally, so on integration, z is equal to x square by 2 as it is, so integration of 1 upon y is, so therefore integration of 1 upon y is log of y plus ax as it is, integration of dy is y plus, so we don't know the answer of, because it is function of y, so we'll consider integration of small f of y dy, I will consider as capital F of y, and this g of x as it is. So this is the required solution for the given partial differential equations of non-homogeneous by using direct integration. So next example is, solve d cube z upon dx square into dy is equal to cos of 2x plus 3y. So one of the important and repeated exam. Now, so the given question, okay, so first before integrating we have to rearrange. So d cube z upon dx square into dy, so one dou, and from this you take one dx, dou x out, that is dou by dou x as it is, and remaining is dou square z upon dou x into dou y is equal to right hand side cos of 2x plus 3y as it is. Now we'll integrate. So integrating with respect to x now. So integrating with respect to x means, so this will vanish, dou by dou x will vanish, what left, dou square z upon dou x dou y is equal to integration of cos of 2x plus 3y with respect to x means dx plus integrating constant f of opposite of this x is, we have two variables x and y, opposite of x is what here, y variable, so y, fine. So left hand side as it is, you integrate. So integration of cos is what here, sine of 2x plus 3y divided by, so differentiation of 2x plus 3y with respect to x is what here, 2, plus this f of y as it is. So left hand side dou square z upon dou x into dou y we have. So now we have got this, we have eliminated one partial derivative with respect to x. Now again we'll rearrange the left hand side, dou by dou x of dou z by dou y. this simplified form, and right hand side 1 by 2 times sine of 2x plus 3y plus f of y. So now we'll integrate. So integrating with respect to what here, x. So what happens here? So this will eliminate it, dou by dou x will be eliminated. What left? Dou z by dou y is left. 1 by 2 integration of sine of 2x plus 3y into, with respect to x means dx, plus integration of f of y into dx. Then you add one more integrating constant, that is g of y. So on simplification of right hand side, it will be 1 by 2 times integration of sine will become what here, minus cos of 2x plus 3y divided by, with respect to x means differentiation of 2x is 2, 3y is 0, leave it, plus so again integration of f of y with respect to x. With respect to x, f of y is a constant, so with integration of constant with respect to x is you multiply x plus g of y as it is. Next, so this is the result of dou z by dou y. Now this we have to integrate again with respect to y. So this I'll rewrite it as dou by dou y of z is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 cos of 2x plus 3y plus x into f of y plus g of y. So again on integration, integrating with respect to y now. So what happens? So on integration, dou by dou y with respect to y vanishes. So z is equal to, so integration of minus 1 by 4 as it is. Integration of cos, I am writing directly, integration of cos of 2x plus 3y with respect to y is what here? Sine of 2x plus 3y divided by 3 will come, because we are doing with respect to y. So divided by 3 plus x is a constant. Integration of small f of y will become what here? Capital F of y plus integration of g of y with respect to y is what here? Small g of y will become capital G of y. Just this is our consideration. Plus we need to add one more integrating constant, h of small h of opposite of y is x. So rearrange. Z is equal to 3 4s are 12, that is minus 1 upon 12 sine of 2x plus 3y plus x into capital F of y plus g of capital Y plus h of x, where this is the required result here, where this capital F of y, for just for understanding, capital F of y is nothing but integration of small f of y into dy, and this capital G of y is nothing but integration of small g of y into dy. So in this way we have to complete the problem.